Hey, Bex here. Today I am busting membership myth number 2, which is that you need to have a whole host of expensive and super sexy, snazzy technology to be able to make this work. Absolute rubbish, pure lies, and here's why. Without doubt, there is loads of amazing software out there now that will enable you to create an all singing, all dancing membership site. But the reality is that you just probably will not need half of that to deliver what it is that you're wanting to deliver. You see, in my experience of us humans has shown me time and time again that we have this brilliant tendency to massively overcomplicate things, and we get so caught up in our vision of where we want to be that we forget to start where we are. So we dive headlong into creating and building this 5-star hotel when actually we're only just starting out as an Airbnb. So during Membership Accelerator, as I take my clients through that all-important design phase, the words "keep it simple" will always be our mantra. Otherwise, what's going to happen is that you are likely to overwhelm yourself and spend all your money before you've even got any paying clients, any paying members. And that is not how we do things around here. In fact, you can start a membership site with just 2 pieces of technology, okay? 1, email, which is free, and 2, a way to get paid, which you only actually pay for when you get paid. That's pretty cool, right? So you can keep it really, really simple. So if you have got an idea for a membership site, I want you to get in touch with me. Come and run your concept past me so that I can ask you lots and lots of questions and see how this could work for you. And I promise you that we will save you a huge amount of time and a whole load of cash.